my channel. My name is Beige. If you are new here, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below before you leave, as well as turn on the post notification bell down below as well to be notified of all of my future uploads. And I do post videos weekly, so definitely check back here every week and you will see new content from me. So this video is going to be another affordable wig review, and I did pick up, I've been eyeing this wig forever. This is KITRON or KITRON. KITRON. I got her in a color OP430. I did go into my beauty supply store and I saw this on the mannequin head, and I was in love with the way that she looked, how big she was, and the color of her. I know that she's not a new wig. She's been all over YouTube forever, but I've never tried her. So taking this wig out of the package, I do notice that she has dark roots at the top, so it looks like she's like a color number 1 or 1B at the top. Then she gradually fades into a color number 30. And then she's a color number 4 at the very bottom. So she's 3 colors, and she's the color number 30 in the middle, but there are like streaks of color number 4 in it as well. So she's cute to be a little 3-color wig. She's not necessarily ombre, because ombre is like either dark and then it fades into light, or it's light and then it fades into dark, but she's like dark, light, medium. So I personally do not think this is the best parting space. It is an L part wig, so that is probably why it looks like this, but it's very thick around the actual part. So it's like thick hairs, and no one's hair looks like that. So that's a dead giveaway for a wig. This is an older style of wig that FREETRESS came out with. It's not one of their new ones, so I assume that's the reason why it has this scratchy lace on the front. Typically with wigs, I would put the comb in the back and then I would stretch it forward to the front. So we're about to try that and see how she looks. This is a larger wig cap, and my head is big and it's fitting good. It's stretchy. Okay, she's on, y'all. How does she look? How? Oh my god, this looks like, I don't know, the color is kind of pretty. Let's see. This is a lot of hair. It's kind of like a deep wave texture. It's deep wave, I would say, but it's too perfect for me. I don't like hair that's too perfect. Let me show you how her parting space is looking. Fix her in the front. I want her to be a middle part. I guess she comes as a side part. It's very, very, very long. For reference, I am 5'7.5", so I am tall. So on a shorter person, obviously it'll be way longer on you. Okay, so this is the parting space. She has some baby hairs here that I probably need to cut off because it's like interfering with my own baby hairs. Okay, so my initial thoughts about this wig, just taking her out the package and everything. Everyone raves and loves this wig so much, but this wig reminds me of someone's auntie at the park. And for 2, I would probably never wear this outside because it's really, really, really big. It's a lot of hair, like it's literally a mountain of hair. I really don't like the fact that there's really no security with this wig. There is a comb in the back, but the wig cap is kind of big. I don't know if it's too big or too small because the wig cap keeps like pushing back. I never had this issue with L part wigs, but I realized you don't really get that much security with them, especially if they're too big or too small, obviously, because it's not, you don't have enough combs in the wig, and it's heavy too. I believe that's the reason why this wig really isn't fitting me, because it's a lot of hair on this wig cap, so it is making it heavy. And the wig is like coming back. You gotta keep pulling it forward. I'll be scared to go outside, go anywhere, and I look in the mirror, my wig is off my head. Like seriously, obviously the best thing to do in this situation would be to sew some combs on it. If you know how to do that, go for it. If you got this wig, how have you been keeping this thing on your head? I feel like there are things that they need to improve with this wig. For one, I feel like it is an overwhelming amount of hair, so maybe you could put less hair on this wig cap. 2, I hope that in the future they can have like maybe give you an option to have an L part and a middle part, because you know with this L part I had to move the wig around to get a middle part and it's really not secure on my head now. 3, I hope that in the future they can come out with a softer lace in the front and a more natural looking parting space. The parting space was way too bulky in my opinion. Well, it's just way too bulky, period. And yeah, that looks extremely fake. I mean, I'm curious to know, do people really cut the parting space on an L part wig and wear their hair out? Like, I've never seen anyone do that. Do people really do that? I'm really curious to know. I've never seen anybody do that at all. So I wonder if that's actually a popular thing. Why are wig companies making L part wigs? Like, I don't know. It's weird. So I pretty much just sprayed the hair with water only on the parting space. And I brushed it with my brush a little bit. I didn't brush through the hair, but I just brushed like where the part is to flatten it down. I put my headscarf on, but before I did that, I did put a little bit of concealer where the parting space was, and that was it. I didn't pluck any hairs out of it because that just makes the wig, like you're gonna have to run your fingers through it and it's gonna get bigger than this. And I feel like this hair is already big, and I like big hair, but this is a lot. I think I'm gonna cut it shorter to like where my sweater is here and see if I like that length. But I feel like before I cut the wig, I would want to go in with layers and create some type of layers with her, because I feel like they tried to put layers on this wig, but it really ain't layers. It's like short and then you got long. There's no gradual layers or anything like that. You got just the short, you see that? It's just short and then you got the long at the bottom. So yeah. I actually like this wig a lot with a headscarf. Like if I had like a more fancier, obviously, headscarf than this, I would probably wear it like that, because I feel like the hair is tamed and feels secure on my head with this headscarf, and I think it's cute. I like it. Like to run errands, I think this is really cute. I'm gonna give her more of a shape and more of a personality, y'all, because she is reminding me of someone's auntie at somebody's concert. All right, let's take off the scar. See how she's looking now. Hopefully much better. Tamed. How does she look? Oh. I'm just not liking this wig. I don't know what the hype is about, because I really just don't like this wig. Visions of you and I. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I think that it looks much better shorter. I feel like it's a lot easier to maintain now that there is not so much hair weighing me down. Of course, I'm not as hot as I was before because I don't have all that hair on my back and my neck. I really do like this wig short. I love the fact that I cut that number 4 off at the bottom because it was kind of looking weird. But now it's like it's dark roots and then a color number 30, and then it's like streaks of number 4 in it. So I think this looks much better color wise. So I did want it to be more of a blunt cut. That's why I didn't really focus too much on sharing out the bottom of the hair. But because this is so much hair on this wig, I might have to go in and just share it out a little bit to make the ends thinner, to give it more of an even look and to make it look like this wig came this length, you know. So just, yeah, I think this is a really cute look. I'm just so in love with this color right now. Like, this is really, really, really beautiful. Let me know what you think about this wig down below in the comment section. Have you tried KITRON? I know it's been really, really popular over the past few years, but let me know down below what color you got her in and how long this wig ended up lasting you, and what did you do? Because it is a lot of hair and it does like get too heavy to stay on your head. Let me know down below in the comment section. Let's talk about this wig and let me know what you think about this bob. Would you wear this? Would you wear this wig? Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys hit that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell down below, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye guys. I just had an idea. Now that the ends of this is so blunt cut, I could go ahead and put some rods at the end, dip it in hot water only at the ends. Dip it in hot water, take it out, and have curly ends. I think this wig would look so cute if like the ends were as curly and wavy as the middle. I think I'll try that. Do you think that I should put rods at the end and curl it up? Do you think that I should thin out the bottoms? Or you think I should just leave it the same as it is right now? Let me know what you think down below in the comment section.